Our Parent Association truly is an example of what makes Holy Comforter so special. Our school includes an exceptional network of parents who are an integral part of our community. HCES parents support our students through their generosity of their time, energy, resources, and talents. They help strengthen student programs and cultivate a fun school environment. Parents are always welcome in the classroom and on campus. As an HCES parent, we invite you to attend these events or join us on a committee. This fall, we will host the Mother-Son Night of Fun, our annual book fair, the beloved Fall Festival, and Grand People's Day. In the spring, we kick off the second half of the year with our annual gala and auction. It is our largest fundraiser of the year, and it's the best party in town, one you don't want to miss. Rounding out the year, we welcome dads and daughters to the Daddy-Daughter Dance, an evening of dancing and fun, and we celebrate our teachers with the annual Faculty and Staff Appreciation Week, honoring the incredible individuals who make our school such a special place. In addition to the school-wide events, throughout the school year, your homeroom parent will reach out regarding classroom parties and ways to get involved in your child's class. There's truly something for everyone, and we want to invite you to join us in any way that you can. We are so proud of the vibrant community at Holy Comforter and the wonderful events that bring us all together. We look forward to seeing you on campus this year.